AI-generated deepfakes, legal implication of the Takedown Act. AI-generated deepfakes, synthetic images, videos, and audio that look real but aren't, are no longer science fiction. They are used to deceive, defame, and disrupt elections. In response, lawmakers have proposed the Take-It-Down Act to make platforms remove harmful deepfakes quickly and protect individuals and society. Today, I will talk you through the legal implications, procedural framework, landmark examples, and what this means for content creators, platforms, and everyday users. Framing questions. What are deepfakes and how do they work? What is the Take-It-Down Act? How would it change current law? What are the legal and constitutional implications? How can platforms and users prepare? What are AI-generated deepfakes? Deepfakes are synthetic media created using AI, often generative adversarial networks, known as GANs, that can realistically depict people saying or doing things they never did. How they are created. AI models ingest large data sets of images, videos, and audio, and GANs learn patterns and generate convincing forgeries. Tools such as face swap, DALL-E, stable diffusion, and audio synthesis tools produce deepfakes within minimal skill. Types of deepfakes. 1. Political deepfakes. This influence elections or public opinion. 2. Celebrities through personal deepfakes. This authorized pornography or impersonation. 3. Fraudulent deepfakes. These fakes executive authorizing transfers, as well as satirical and entertainment content, benign but sometimes misleading. Why the matter? Deepfakes can damage reputation, facilitate fraud, undermine trust in media, manipulate elections, and harm individuals' privacy, safety, as well as employment. Current legal landscape about deepfakes. 1. Copyright law. Deepfakes may violate copyright if original works are remixed without permission, and rights of publicity or the right use of likeness. 2. Defamation and privacy law. Lawsuits can be brought for reputational harm. In many states, false light and privacy torts apply. 3. Criminal law. Some jurisdictions already criminalize election interference, identity fraud, and non-sensual pornography. But many laws did not anticipate AI-generated deepfakes. Platform regulation. Section 230 in the US limits platform liability for user content, but deepfakes challenge that safe harbor. Introduction to the Takedown Act. What is the Takedown Act? The Takedown Act, proposed federal statute, requires online platforms to promptly remove identified harmful deepfakes, provide mechanisms for individuals to report deepfakes, implement notice and takedown procedures. What is its purpose? The purpose is to protect individuals from reputational and personal harm, prevent widespread deception and public misinformation, as well as clarify platform duties. Scope. It applies to AI-generated media depicting real persons without consent. Deepfakes that could reasonably harm reputation, privacy, or public trust. Legal framework of the Take-It-Down Act. 1. Notice and takedown. Similar to the Digital Millennium Copyright Act, users submit a verified notice that a deepfake harms them. Platforms must act within a statutory time limit, for example, 24 to 72 hours. 2. Safe harbor limitations. Under this act, platforms that fail to act promptly risk civil penalties. Good faith takedown complies with due process. Three, due process safeguards. The act includes procedures to appeal takedown decisions and protections against frivolous or malicious takedown requests. Enforcement and penalties. Civil liability for non-compliance, administrative fines, possible injunctive relief, and no criminal liability for complaint platforms. Private right of action. Some versions have a private cause of action enabling individuals to sue platforms for failure to remove harmful deepfakes. Deepfakes and free speech. 1. First Amendment concerns. Critics argue that there should be immediate takedown risk over blocking lawful speech. Satire, parody, and commentary might be removed improperly. Balancing safety and expression. Law must distinguish harmful deepfakes from protected parody, intent, context, and public interest are key considerations. 3. Strict definitions needed. The statute must define harmful deepfake, reasonable person standard, and exceptions for satire and news reporting. Real-world examples. 1. In 2020 election deepfakes, AI video of a political candidate saying inflammatory statement circulated ahead of a vote, raising questions about interference and platform responsibility. 2. Fraud via deepfake. Audio Bank CEO and a widely reported case involved fraudsters using voice synthesis to personate a CEO's voice in a scam. 3. Celebrity deepfake. High-profile suits by celebrities alleging unauthorized use of their likeness in AI-generated adult content. 4. Social harm and viral misinformation. Examples of false emergency broadcasts created with AI audio. Comparative law and global impacts. Although the Take It Down Act is US legislation, similar movement exists in the European Union. The Digital Service Act (DSA) regulates disinformation, requiring swift action against illegal content, including deepfakes. The UK Online Safety Bill (OSB) imposes duties on social platforms to protect against harmful content. India new cybersecurity rules require traceability and timely removal of harmful content. Australia criminal offenses for non-consensual deepfakes, porn, and malicious impersonation. This global patchwork means that platforms must balance multiple legal regimes. Platform compliance strategies. 1. Detection technology. Use deepfake detection algorithms and flag suspicious content automatically. 2. Reporting systems. Easy user reporting and verified identity requirements for takedown requests. 3. Transparency and appeals. Clear notice to content creators and appeals process for wrongful removals. 4. Record keeping and audit trails. Logs of notices, actions taken, timestamps necessary for compliance and defense. Policy issues and consent frameworks. 1. Consent-based exceptions. Frameworks that protect confirmed consensual AI content academic or journalistic use. 2. Public interest carve-outs. News reporting, parody and satire, and research. In conclusion, the key takeaways are deepfakes are a growing social, legal, and security problem. The Takedown Act seeks faster removal and platform accountability. Implementations must balance harm prevention and free speech rights. Platforms, creators, and users must adapt policies, technology, and procedures. Finally, the age of AI deepfakes demands not just technology solutions, but a coherent legal framework that protects individuals without suppressing legitimate expressions. The Takedown Act may become a cornerstone in how societies regulate synthetic media responsibly. Unless I can proceed further, those are my submissions. Thank you.